Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol F Ford. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day here for Ford, not only from the price action perspective, but look down there at the volume, well above average volume, earnings and all that. So as expected, a lot of eyeballs on it. But a rough day. In fact, to summarize today's price movement from a trading jargon standpoint, this is what would be known as a gap and trap. Now, what do I mean by gap and trap in case maybe you're new? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened all the way up there. So this is what would be known as a gap up, right? Price opened up much further than where it was. But then this is where things get very, very savage because the price made a slight move to the upside, and then all of a sudden, there was a bunch of poor souls that were buying up around this area. And then after that, it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that is the gap and trap that has taken place, which now brings about a very important level of support. And that level of support is down here at $7.85. Why is $7.85 so important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to $7.85, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that make a great move up and then all of a sudden go right back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine strength or true power or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, but that is why, in my opinion, at least $7.85 is definitely a very important level to watch moving forward. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to start to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch going to be right there at the 805 mark. And then after 805, next key level up there right around, we'll call it the $8.20 mark. But all in all, that's the current status of things. Gap and trap today, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.